Hello students, welcome to science class. This is your science teacher Neha Gandhi. Today we will start chapter 3, synthetic fibers and plastics. So students, as the name tells, synthetic, the word synthetic means artificial or man-made. So in this chapter we will discuss about some artificial fibers. So beta, the clothes which we wear are made of fabrics, right? Fabrics are made by weaving fibers or threads obtained from natural or artificial sources. Now, fabrics, beta, they are of two types, like natural fibers. They are of two types: natural fibers and artificial fibers, or you can say synthetic fibers, right? So, natural fibers, they are produced by plants or animals, example cotton, wool, silk, etc. And synthetic fibers, they are man-made fibers, okay. And for example rayon, nylon, polyester. In detail you will study in this chapter about synthetic fibers, right? Synthetic fibers, they are made by human beings. They are man-made fibers, and that's why the other word name of the word synthetic is man-made fibers. Then, what are synthetic fibers? So here is our very first topic. What are synthetic fibers? Or you can say, what is the synthetic fiber made up of? Try to recall the uniform pattern found in a necklace of beads joined with the help of thread. Or try to join a number of paper clips together to make a long chain. Is there any similarity between two? So here students, you can see in this figure, to make a necklace, what we do, we use to join the number of beads with the help of thread. Means beads are joined again and again, means repeating. beads को क्या करते हैं हम, repeated units से क्या बनता है, एक necklace तैयार होता है. In the same way, this synthetic fiber as well as the plastic, it is also made up of small units called monomers, which combine to form polymers, right? Synthetic fiber is also a small units joined together, and each small unit is actually a chemical substance. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called polymers. Students, the word poly means many and mer means repeating units. So synthetic fibers, we are saying that they are made by combining the polymers, right? Poly means many repeating units, they are combined, and then what they form synthetic fibers. So what will be the definition of synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers, they are called the man-made fibers, and they are formed how they are formed? They are made up of they are made up of a chain of small units called monomers, right? Now polymers, they occur in nature also, like cotton, for example, is a polymer called cellulose, and cellulose is made up of a large number of glucose units. Types of synthetic fibers. See, there are different types of synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. So first we will discuss about rayon. What is rayon? Rayon is an artificial fiber. It is a versatile fiber and can imitate the feel of texture of silk. The other word of rayon is also known as artificial silk. Okay, why it is known as artificial silk? Because it resembles silk in appearance, texture and shine. Right, so let's start. You have read in class 7 that silk fiber is obtained from silkworm, which was discovered in China and kept a closely guarded secret for a long time. Fabric obtained from silk fiber was very costly, right? You know, silk we obtained from silkworm and from the cocoons of the silkworm, and the pure silk fiber, it is very costly, but its beautiful texture and fascinated everybody. Attempts were made to make a silk artificially. Because towards the end of 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk, because everyone, they can't afford such a costly fiber. So such fibers was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. How rayon is obtained? It is obtained by the chemical treatment of wood pulp, राइट. ऑल्दो रेयन इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम नेचुरल सोर्स. एक्चुअली रेयन को आप किससे ऑब्टेन कर रहे हैं? वुड पल्प से. और वुड पल्प क्या है? इट इज़ अ नेचुरल सोर्स. येट इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ अ मैन मेड फाइबर. फिर भी हम उसको मैन मेड फाइबर क्यों बोलते हैं? रेयन को मिलता तो वो हमको केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट से है वुड पल्प के. बट आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर इस किस लिए बोलते हैं? क्योंकि आप उसको केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट करवाते हैं. मीन्स आर्टिफिशियली मैन मेड फाइबर है, आप इसमें केमिकल्स का यूज़ करते हैं मैन, एंड इट इज़ मैन मेड फाइबर. दैट्स वाई वी कॉल्ड रेयन एज अ सिंथेटिक और मैन मेड फाइबर. इट इज़ चीपर देन सिल्क एंड कैन बी वूवन इनटू सिल्क फाइबर्स. ये सिल्क से क्या होता है? चीप मीन्स सस्ता होता है. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी डाइड इन टू वेराइटी ऑफ कलर्स. रेयन इज मिक्सड विथ कॉटन टू मेक बेड शीट्स and mixed with wool to make carpets. You can see in this figure artificial articles made of rayon, this carpets and all. Now